Welcome to Amazing Tech. You can create a simple list control for your users in a sheet. Doing so reduces errors by limiting input from the keyboard and facilitates input tasks for your users. Adding the control to an Excel sheet isn't intuitive. The option is in the data validation feature. Fortunately, once you know the feature exists, it's easy to implement. Subscribe to my channel before you continue. You need only two things: a list and a data entry cell. Column A shows a simple drop-down list. Users click the drop-down arrow to display a list of items stored in A1 to A7. To add this drop-down list to a sheet, do the following. Create the list in cells A1 to A7. Select cell C1, the data entry cell. Click the Data tab. Click the Data Validation option in the Data Tools group. Choose List from the Allow Options drop-down list. Click the Source control and select cells A1 to A7. Make sure the In-Cell drop-down option is checked. If you uncheck this option, Excel still forces users to enter only list values, but it won't present a drop-down list. Click OK. Users click the drop-down and choose an item to enter a value into cell C3, and C3 equals the selected value. It couldn't be simpler. If a user tries to enter something that isn't in the list, Excel rejects the entry by default. Notes: it's worth pointing out that the drop-down arrow is visible only when the cell is active. To make the control easier to use, consider applying a fill color or border to the cell. If you believe users will need more information, explore the input message and error alert options. In addition, if you use this feature in a table, Excel will automatically copy the control to new rows.